Good morning, children. In this video, we will see about the harmful insects and how to deal with these harmful insects. Some insects can harm us. Insects like mosquitoes, lice and bedbugs bite us and drink our blood. Their bites cause itching and rashes and can spread diseases. What are the harmful insects that we have around us? They are mosquitoes and lice, bedbugs. Okay, why? Because they bite us and they suck our blood, they drink our blood. They are blood parasites, or we can say insects, blood sucking insects. Mosquitoes we find everywhere, wherever you go. If you open your room windows, door in the evenings, mostly the mosquitoes come in force, and then at night you use the mosquito net to get prevented from those mosquitoes, and also in some cases we apply the mosquito repellents or insect repellents like Odomus, and there are some sprays also nowadays available like Hit for killing the mosquitoes. And then also in some places how we do, we burn those sticks or fast cards or mosquito coils, etc., etc., good night liquidators, etc., etc. Okay, so mosquitoes, this kind of insects, lice and bedbugs, they are all very dangerous for us. You know what is lice? Lice are found in the head of human beings, in the hair. Okay, mostly it comes in children, because if one child has the lice in her or hair, then it gets transferred to the other. So like this, people or the children get those insects on their head, in the hair, and they also suck blood from the scalp. And what are bedbugs? Bedbugs are those insects that we find in the bed in the sense the mattresses, old mattresses which are not cleaned, which are not dried in the sun for many days. Especially this comes in the old hotel rooms or in the old hostel rooms. Okay, so what we should do, we should clean our beds, we should always give proper sunlight, okay, so that this kind of insects are not produced. They also suck blood, and those mostly come in the night time when you're fallen asleep. That time these bedbugs come and they drink your blood. And then if you try to kill them also, they will get killed, but from the blood they produce more. Okay, so these all are very dangerous insects which harm us and which are there around us. There are many more insects which are very harmful, but we get to deal with these insects regularly. Okay. Then what does mosquito do? Mosquitoes spread the diseases like malaria, dengue. It is produced as dengue and chikungunya. Then there are other insects like flies and cockroaches. What they do, they sit on the garbage, and then they'll sit on the garbage, that is the dirty food or the dirt. Okay, and what they'll do, they sit on that, and then they will come and they will sit on the food that we eat. And what happens when we eat that food? The germs goes inside, and then that germs causes disease in our body. So we should always cover our food, and we should always prevent them from getting produced in our houses, or when they come inside also we should take appropriate action and kill them. Then there are some insects like bees and wasps. What do? They sting us. They will be doing some work, and if we go and disturb them, they'll sting us. The sting may be very painful and they cause also allergies. So we should not disturb them and we should not trouble them. Then there are insects like aphids which eat the leaves of the plants, thus harming them. Okay. Then there are moths and silverfish which destroy the clothes and paper. Termites eat plant roots and wood in buildings, causing a lot of damage. So these termites, if you don't clean properly, see that the care is not taken of the plant roots and also the wood, furniture and everything that are there in the buildings, old apartments. If you don't care and don't clean it regularly, if you don't see and don't spray insecticide, then the termites, what they do, they eat and they cause the damage. You will see half of the portion is eaten up. You can see the picture. This is a louse and this is a wasp. Okay, the sting of it is very dangerous. This wasp, this is a louse, this is blood, this is blood. Okay, so these were some of the harmful insects. Now there are various ways for dealing with the harmful insects. First of all, we should always clean our surroundings and we should disinfect them. Okay, so all the drains around a house should be cleaned and also closed. So this will stop the cockroaches from spreading. Then we should always keep our garbage bins closed so that the cockroach and the flies should not get in and they should not sit on it. Then we should not allow the water to collect anywhere because mosquitoes lay their eggs in those still waters. So we should try cleaning. If there is water collected anywhere, we should always clean it up. Then we should, as I told, we should apply the insect repellent to keep the insects away. Then we also should wear the clothes that cover our arms and legs so that the insects won't be able to bite us. Then I also had mentioned we should sleep inside a mosquito net to prevent mosquito bites at night. Then we should also not disturb the insects because they might bite or sting. We can use neem leaves or moth balls in the cupboards to keep the moths and silverfish away. Also, we should use insecticides to control the cockroaches and ants. Use them with care since they can harm us. They are dangerous. They are not advisable for children to hold and spray. Only adults should do. Children don't experiment with all those things. Okay, so this was about the harmful insects and the ways of dealing with them.